Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Okay, so when we actually filmed this little vlog that we did, we had actually gone to Reno. This was, I believe, my second time ever going to Reno, and it was Leilani's first time going to Reno. So we were gonna go because it was gonna be hot August nights, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically they just do like a little, wouldn't be like a festival, would it? I don't know. But mainly they just have, or at least the night that we went, or the day that we went, they had all the classic cars just riding on by, you know, doing the classic car shows. They had lowriders. But yeah, we saw quite a few nice cars. We actually took Carlos's nephew Danny with us. Go ahead and enjoy that little clip.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car.
So when we had first arrived, that was what we had seen. We weren't really able to see it very well. I actually had to have the tripod and just be lifting my arm up just to be able to record for you guys. And then like, you know what, let's move a little bit more forward. And then once we moved forward up till like big Reno sign, like the Reno, what is it? The Reno Arc.
Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
But yeah, it was nice being next to the Arc. I recorded that, and then of course recording the nice cars.
No, this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
A police officer on his motorcycle, he just stopped and he was grabbing kids and taking them to his motorcycle and allowing them to like beep the horn or like turning on the siren. Actually, not beeping the horn, it's not a car. I was posing for the pictures so that the parents could take pictures.
So try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try.
I didn't really want to do that with Leilani just because by this time she was kind of not feeling too well. It was starting to feel a little bit warm and a little fussy, which really sucked. Later on, as soon as I was gonna record the Reno arc, so basically I was recording the Reno arc and Carlos was like, oh look right there, and I was like, where? And then there it was, some guy rock climbing right beside it, so I obviously had to record it.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in.
And I was just like, oh my god, I am just trying to enjoy this car show. I'm not trying to see no one die. Like, should we call 911? Is this guy gonna fall? I was just like, oh no. After that, we just decided to go to Carlos' brother's house and we stayed there the night. The next morning, we went to like little park where they had, I'll put the name up here of what the park's name is. And they had like really cute statues and we took a bunch of pictures.
My little Jessie. Madame Jessie.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Across the street, they had like another nice mural of like different paintings. It was all really nice to see.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
I'm a clown. Lovely.
Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing small little clips of our Leilani's first time going to Reno. I'll see you guys next video, and just remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos of us. Hopefully continue to see more progression of this channel. We already have, of course, as you see, the background. I'm just excited to make this whole channel like better and better each time for everyone that sees this, for all of our subscribers. Bye guys, see you guys next video.